Chance versus Cartoon Cat. Let's see who wins. I'm Cartoon Cat. And I always win. You're so stupid that you're so... What did you just say? I'm gonna grab you by the shirt. Grab me by the what? By the shirt. By the shirt. You're gonna listen how to pay. Come on. Put me down. I'm gonna rip your shirt. Rip my shirt? Nah. You gotta be joking. I am not joking. Like I said, I'm gonna stand still. Maybe I had to go a little too far. Hey, you ripped my shirt. That's it. Oh, so you want to fight now, huh? Cartoon Cat knife. You have a Cartoon Cat. You have a knife. Yeah, what you think I don't? Come over here. Oh no! You're gonna pay. Stop stabbing me. Yep, but now that I use this thing, I don't need it. All I just need is you. Ow! Take this. Just wait. What? I'm gonna pick you up. Don't you dare. Instead, I'm gonna pick you up. Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know what I'm doing, brother. I don't know what you're doing, brother. Wait, I used the chain. Sorry, guys. I used the chain. Instead of it. Can I use the chain? Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you picking me up? I'm picking you up because I'm gonna throw you. Add milk, chocolate milk. Why would I killed him? I have to regain him to make him go back. My. Okay, he's still immortal, luckily. Whew! I thought he was still dead. Wasn't immortal. You are so dead. Come over here. What are you doing? You have super jump? Nope, I don't. I just jump. Super kick. 29 drop kick of Cage. You're from Roblox? I'm from Roblox. Can you see I'm a Blox? I'm gonna pretend he's staring. Are you staring at me? Hello? Hello? And his arm is not. Hello? And he unfreezes. Hello? Blah! Print time! Hurrah! Blah! I used to be like that as a kid. Blah! It doesn't matter who you're or. All it matters is you or dead. Dead. And he grabs him by the underwear. Underwear. Why are you grabbing my underwear? I wanna. Grabbing your underwear. You just grab. Oh, my God, leave it back. He just ripped my underwear. Oh yeah, let me just smell it. Let me smell your underwear. Hey, yo, you sus. Anyways, give me my underwear back. My spine. You just broke my spine. Now I'm not cartoon cat anymore. What do you mean I'm not? I'm laser cartoon cat now. Laser cartoon cat? Wait, what I am doing? I have to prove that I'm stronger than you. Whoopsies. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Like I was saying, I need my bare hands so I can prove I'm strong. Okay, give me your best shot. Okay, I guess. Let me wait till I can impress Cartoon Cat Girl. Want you to wait so you can impress Cartoon Cat Girl? Yeah, she said so. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna relax. You won. See, Cartoon Cat Girl? I told you I was so strong. Well, you are. I'm so impressed of you. See, I told you. Let's just now go. I'll see. See, I told you. I was strong. Thank you. Wait a second. This conversation isn't over yet. Thank you. I'm just kidding. The